Hey there, woodworking enthusiasts! Today we're diving into the world of the Dewalt table saw. This machine is a staple in any workshop, handling everything from ripping lumber to intricate joinery. But like any tool, it reaches its full potential with the right accessories. You wouldn't build a house with just a hammer, right? The same goes for your table saw. The right accessories can improve your accuracy, efficiency, and safety. I'll walk you through my top 10 must-have accessories for your Dewalt table saw. We'll cover everything from safety essentials to those little helpers that make your projects a breeze. So stick around and let's get this workshop humming. Let's kick things off with a game changer in woodworking, the zero clearance throat plate. This small accessory makes a big difference. That gap around your saw blade, it's a safety hazard. Small pieces can get caught, causing kickback. The zero clearance plate hugs the blade, preventing this. Installation is simple. No special tools needed. It improves accuracy and safety, reducing kickback. Invest in a quality zero clearance throat plate for peace of mind. Stay safe and happy woodworking. We're talking shop safety, folks, and there's no room for compromise. Our next essential accessory is the humble push stick. A push stick isn't about showing off your grip strength, it's about keeping your fingers away from the blade. Picture this. You're guiding a narrow piece of wood through the saw, your hands getting closer to the blade. Suddenly the wood binds and bam, kickback. Without a push stick, your hand might move towards the blade. A push stick acts as a barrier, keeping your hands at a safe distance. They come in all shapes and sizes, from basic wooden ones to ergonomic designs. Using a push stick is simple but crucial. Keep a firm grip and apply even pressure. Remember, a push stick is not a substitute for proper technique, so always prioritize safe cutting practices. Let's talk about keeping things steady with our next must-have accessory, the featherboard. Imagine feeding a long piece of wood through the saw and it starts to wander away from the fence. That's where the featherboard comes in. This gadget clamps onto your saw table, applying consistent pressure to hold your workpiece against the fence. Featherboards come in various designs, using angled fingers to press the wood without hindering its movement. Installing a featherboard is easy. Position it so the fingers touch the workpiece and tighten it down. It's particularly useful when ripping narrow stock, preventing the wood from twisting or lifting. It's also a lifesaver with longboards, keeping them stable during the cut. Once you start using a featherboard, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Let's talk about safety. Specifically, the blade guard, an essential yet often overlooked component in woodworking. Even the most experienced woodworker can have a lapse in concentration. A momentary distraction can lead to a serious injury. The blade guard provides a physical barrier, reducing the risk of accidental contact. It's like wearing a seatbelt, a small step that can make a big difference. Blade guards come in various designs, each offering different levels of protection. Follow the manufacturer's instructions to ensure it's properly fitted. Make sure it's securely attached and adjusted to the proper height. Always keep the blade guard in place whenever possible. It might take an extra second to adjust, but those few seconds are worth the added peace of mind. A blade guard is not a replacement for proper technique and common sense. Invest in a good quality blade guard, use it religiously, and work safely. Let's talk about making picture-perfect crosscuts with the miter gauge. This tool is essential for any woodworker aiming for precision and consistency. Accurate angles are crucial in woodworking. The miter gauge ensures every cut is precise and repeatable. It holds the workpiece steady, allowing you to guide it through the blade without any wobble. It slides in the slots on your table saw, guiding your workpiece at a precise angle to the blade. Upgrading to a higher quality miter gauge can enhance your cutting accuracy and efficiency. Look for sturdy construction, smooth sliding action, and an easy-to-read angle scale. Set the desired angle, lock it in place, and guide the workpiece through the cut. Always make a test cut on a scrap piece to check your angle. A good quality miter gauge improves your cuts and boosts confidence in complex projects. It takes the guesswork out of making accurate crosscuts, allowing you to focus on the craft. Let's delve into the world of dados with a dado set. A dado set allows you to cut wider grooves, rabbets, and dados in your workpiece. It typically consists of 2 outer blades and a set of chippers that fit between them. By adding or removing chippers, you can adjust the width of the dado. Installing a dado set might seem daunting, but it's straightforward. Always unplug your saw before installing or removing blades. Once installed, make multiple passes, gradually increasing the depth of cut. Dados are versatile, allowing you to create strong interlocking joints. Use them to create shelves, build drawers, or add decorative elements to your projects. A dado set opens up a whole new realm of possibilities with your Dewalt table saw. Let's talk about the fence, essential for accurate and safe table saw operation. The fence might seem simple, but it ensures straight, precise cuts. A high-quality fence should be straight, true, and easy to adjust. It should lock securely in place with no wiggle room. Most Dewalt table saws come with a decent fence, but aftermarket options offer greater precision. Keep the fence clean and free of debris. Even a small speck of sawdust can throw off your cut. Double-check that your fence is locked securely before starting any cut. The fence is particularly important when ripping lumber. Measure the desired width of your cut and adjust the fence accordingly. A straight, accurate fence is the foundation for accurate and safe table saw operation. Let's talk about giving your Dewalt table saw the freedom to roam with a mobile base. Having the ability to move your saw around the workshop can be a game changer. A mobile base gives your table saw its own set of wheels, allowing you to move it effortlessly. Mobile bases come in various designs from basic models to heavy-duty versions. Consider the weight of your table saw and the type of flooring in your workshop. Installing a mobile base is usually straightforward. Consult the manufacturer's instructions. A mobile base allows you to store your table saw more efficiently, freeing up valuable floor space. It gives you more room to work comfortably. Let's clear the air and talk about dust collection. A dedicated dust collection system captures sawdust and debris at the source. Think of a dust collection system as the lungs of your workshop. Table saws are notorious dust generators, spewing out fine particles of wood. A proper dust collection system involves a dust collector unit, ducts, and various fittings. The dust collector unit creates suction, drawing sawdust through the ducts. Connecting a dust collection system to your Dewalt table saw is usually straightforward. Investing in a good dust collection system creates a cleaner, healthier work environment. Let's talk about ripping lumber with a high-quality rip fence. The rip fence plays a pivotal role in ensuring your rip cuts are precise and safe. It provides a solid, reliable reference point for your workpiece. A good rip fence should be straight, true, and easy to adjust. Most Dewalt table saws come with a decent rip fence, but aftermarket options offer greater precision. Always double-check that your rip fence is locked securely before starting any cut. A loose fence can lead to inaccurate cuts, kickback, and injury. Mastering the art of ripping lumber accurately takes practice, but a high-quality rip fence makes it easier. Well folks, there you have it. My top 10 must-have accessories for your Dewalt table saw. From safety essentials like the zero-clearance throat plate and blade guard, to precision-enhancing tools like the Featherboard, Miter Gauge, and Rip Fence, these accessories will elevate your woodworking game. Investing in the right accessories isn't just about making your projects easier, it's about prioritizing your safety. Equip yourself for success and enjoy the journey. Share your go-to accessories and tips in the comments below. Happy woodworking!